I'm not planning for this video to go viral, but it will. Yo, people in a relationship right now, husband, wives, spouse, common law, whatever you call it, be careful of how you leave your spouse because of herpes. Herpes was set in chicken meat, eggs, milk and butter, fish, the Jamaican tilapia they call it here. Over there they call it tilapia. Herpes is in the animal meat because they have been growing some chickens lab wise and through back feed also. The boosters that they give them when they put it in their water. So animals, I have seen it with my eyes in chicken, where herpes is in chicken, the broiler birds that we eat. Therefore, if you break up your relationship because of herpes, you let the bastards, the technocrats win, because in your head you have it that herpes, it's only a sexual transmitted disease. That's a lie. The truth cannot be told, it only can be realized. For who is separated, you have a chance. Go back to your spouse. Herpes is not only a sexual transmitted disease. It is transmitted through meat and these dairy animal products, and also sexually. So be careful of how you leave your partner because of it. I'm done. This is a warning.